Hey guys, this is Jacky from Vietnam. I'm a video editor. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up your computer using Filmora 13. Okay, so after a while editing video using Filmora 13, it will take a lot of resources on your computer. And now with Filmora 13, it is very simple to clean up cache and temporary file, stuff like that, to get more space on your computer. Okay, so let me show you how to do that in my computer screen. Let's go. And being mentioned that if you want to purchase Filmora 13, don't forget to use my 20% discount coupon code to save your money. And if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Okay. Alright, so as you can see here, my C drive is in red color. So it takes a lot of resources on my computer. So let's minimize this one. If you're using Filmora 13, it is very simple to delete temporary file and cache file, render file and browse file, stuff like that. All you need to do is to go to File, and then you want to select References here, and then you want to select this option, Media Cache. And after that, you want to clear all these files. This is a backup file, browse file, preview render files, and temporary file. Okay, just hit this clear button. Clear, delete, and clear, delete, and clear, delete. Okay, for the backup file, if you want to delete the backup file, you have to go to the folder. So this is browse, and you want to press Ctrl A to select everything, and you want to press Shift down to delete it, and click yes. Okay, that's simple, right? And just close this one. And finally, you want to manage your install effect also. But for me, I already installed some effect pack and I don't want to delete them. By the way, if you want to delete some effect, you want to just click here at the manage button. And here you can open the install effect folder on your computer. Okay, just click here at this folder button. And you will see all the install effect here on your computer. If you don't want to use them, just select all of them and then you can just delete. Alright, so this is how simple you can clean up your computer using Filmora 13. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye and see you again.